My name is Dan Bottari. I'm a personal injury attorney. My office is located in Delray Beach. And today we'll be talking about what to do immediately after you're in a car accident. So oftentimes I'll have clients who have been injured in an accident and they give me a call and I find out that there's a lot of things that they should have done at the scene that they did not do. And a lot of times that can hurt their case. For example, when I take a case, I want to make sure that I have photos of the vehicle, of my client's vehicle, and photos of any of the vehicles that were involved in the accident. And this is mainly for two reasons. The first reason is I want to make sure that I can give the insurance adjuster all the information that they need to properly value the claim. And many times, pictures can speak 1,000 words. So if I have a client whose vehicle was totaled, it's going to make my argument a lot more persuasive when I ask the insurance company to tender their insurance policy for my client's accident claim. If I don't have that, if I don't have any photos, then the adjuster is basically limited to what the officer wrote in his report. And oftentimes, officers make mistakes. They're not going to completely and thoroughly accurately describe the severity of the accident and what happened to the vehicle. So after you're out of the car, after you've exchanged insurance information, one of the main things that you want to do is just make sure that you take photographs, take videos of the accident. That way it'll make your attorney's job a lot easier when they're negotiating your claim. The second thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you get the right insurance information from the person who hit you. And this is because when you go to an attorney to speak to them about your case, they're going to want to know what kind of coverage the person had who hit you. So you go to an attorney and they asked you, do you know anything about the information, the insurance coverage from the at-fault driver, and you don't have it, a lot of times it's going to make things more difficult for them. So you want to make this process as easy as possible. So just make sure that you get the right insurance coverage from the driver, of the owner of the vehicle that was at fault. And many times this will help you and it will help your attorney, because from the outset, there are certain insurance companies that just won't be able to provide bodily injury coverage. They're not good insurance companies. They're cheap insurance companies, and they're just not going to issue policies with bodily injury coverage. So make sure you get the right insurance information from the driver that was responsible in the accident. The next thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you treat properly, that you get the right medical treatment that you need. So oftentimes I have clients who go to the hospital after an accident, and after they've been in the hospital, they need to know where to go because they're still injured. So one of the professionals who treats accident-related injuries are chiropractors. Chiropractors are medical professionals. They're doctors of chiropractic medicine, and they specialize in getting people better who have soft tissue injuries. Soft tissue injuries can include herniated discs, can include bulging discs, and these are the people who've had a lot of medical training, who know what to do in getting you better to treat those injuries that are related to the accident. From there, the chiropractor is very likely to refer the person to get an MRI. An MRI is a machine, it's a device that is very good at detecting soft tissue injuries, again, herniated discs or bulging discs. If there do happen to be findings on those MRIs, the chiropractor is very likely to refer you to an orthopedist for more extensive treatment. So if you have been in an accident, the main thing that you do want to do, just to recap, is take photos of the accident, take videos of the accident. That way you can get the right information to your lawyer. The second thing is get the right information from the person who hit you. Make sure that you get all the insurance coverage information that your attorney is going to need in order to be able to present your claim. And finally, you want to be able to make sure that you're getting the right treatment, treatment for injuries related to the accident, and oftentimes the attorney who you choose can help you with that. So If you have been injured in an accident and you want to speak to an attorney, our phone number is 561-588-2781.